Local news for Monday the 15th of May. April was a busy month for real estate agents in the region, with 25 properties sold in South Wairarapa, 27 in Carterton and 48 in Masterton. 42 of the Masterton properties alone were over the RV, with one property selling for nearly $200,000 over the valuation. In Masterton, the most sales were between $200,000 and $300,000. Carterton and South Wairarapa were busy in the lifestyle property market and between $300,000 and $400,000. Mavis Mullins has picked up the award for Outstanding Māori Business Leader at the 2017 Māori Business Leader Awards held in Auckland on Friday night. In July, she'll be inducted into the New Zealand Business Hall of Fame. And the Ginny and Homes Mother's Day Fun Runner Walk was held yesterday at Henley Lake and saw a record 347 people take part. Nationally, Ginny and Homes will donate $25,000 to the Heart Foundation. And club rugby from the weekends, Greytown beat Carterton, Ekanahuta beat Pioneer, Martinborough beat East Coast, while Gladstone kept Mara scoreless, winning 41-0. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.